Hello, my name is Brandon Roman, and welcome to my digital portfolio website. To start things off, this website has a few pages, the first of which is the home page that contains a welcome message and overview of the site. The second page is a bio page. This contains a more detailed description of me and who I am. Third, we have the resume page. This contains my resume and all the information contained within my resume on the page. Fourthly, we have the extracurricular highlights page. This page contains some achievements and highlights of my time outside of schooling, as well as some of my own interests. Then we have the academic record page. This page contains some highlights and achievements of my academic career. And finally, we have the additional content page. This contains some social medias and their links. Beginning with the home page, we have a welcome message here. This welcome message is designed to introduce someone to the site. It gives them an overview of what they're going to expect in the site, gives them an overview of who I am, what I want to do with my career, and some of the skills I have, as well as some of my degrees and where I'm studying. Next up, we have the Bio About Me page. This page contains a more in-depth description of me, including who I am, how old I am, where I'm from, my education, and my future plans, such as what I want to do with my career, what other degrees I want to get, and some of my motivations for why I want to do the things that I want to do. Next up, we have my resume page. Now, this contains a copy of my resume, things such as my education history, some of the courses I've taken, and my work experience are all listed here, as well as my skills and technical skills at the very bottom. This page also contains a link to the actual resume if someone wants to share it. Now we have the extracurricular highlights page. This page contains some of my interests and some of my highlights from outside of academia, including my interest in computers and technology, investing in stocks, travel, community involvement, and fitness. I've always been interested in computers and technology, and I've tried to build my own PC, as well as update it over time. We have my interest in investing in stocks, understanding how those systems work. We have my interest in travel, as well as my preference to go for more wild and outdoors areas. Following that, we have an example of my community involvement that I've partaken in, this time case being the time I was on my high school robotics league, and we won second place, as well as a general interest in fitness. Next up, we have my academic achievements page. This page highlights some of my various academic achievements and some of the highlights of my academic career. For starters, we have my graduation from Suffolk County Community College. Following that, we have my nomination for the National Society of Leadership and Success, or the NSLS, at Stony Brook University. Following that, we have my graduation from high school, as well as my acceptance into Stony Brook University. And now finally, we have the additional content page. This page contains some various links to my social medias. We're going to start off with Twitter. When I made this Twitter, I made it a fresh profile that was designed to let me create whatever portfolio I wish to. In this case, it was designed to showcase some of my interests while communicating to other people the type of person I am, what I view is important, and what I try to follow and be involved in, which involves finance, technology, and business. Now we're going to be looking at my LinkedIn account. This LinkedIn account is going to be a solely professional account, something I intend to use for networking. To serve that purpose, I've updated it to become relevant to modern day, as well as to enclose my work experience, a summary of me, and other things that someone who wants to know something about me can find out. My last social media site, and the last thing I'm going to be looking at in this video, is my YouTube account. While it is currently empty, it will be hosting this video, and it is another account that I started fresh. This way I didn't have to clear up any baggage and can just build my portfolio in the way that I want. Well, this is the end of the presentation. Thank you for viewing this video, and I hope you enjoyed.